Okay. So Silas is walking. He just decided to up and walk with this thing today.
What?
He's decided to walk today. Pretty tricky little guy. Pretty fun, you even turned it.
Music going on.
Oh, crash. Crashed into the chair. Pretty tricky, huh, Ella? He's doing a good job. Okay, I'll come help you. Did you get stuck in the corner? Oh, okay.
Baby. I could tell you what this is.
Okay.
A sheep.
Oh, yes, a sheep.
Yeah, little baby. Hey, little baby, can you say sheep?
Sheep.